Okay, I got done mowing. Whew. It's warm. Sure is. What I think I'll do now is bring in that tercel and start it. And see if it still clatters and clanks. I'm probably gonna have to take the oil pan off. And geez, I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it's the probably rod bearings or main bearings. I don't think it's the camshaft or anything like that. I think it's rods, a rod knock or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Just walking all over the place here. Put the hat up there. I think I'll pull the tercel in. If I can find that. Find the keys. Let's see if I can get it started. See how much it clatters. I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. I heard it. Check engine lights on, but that's not the... Yeah, I'm gonna have to... I think I'm gonna have to take the... oil pan off and figure out what's wrong with it. Yeah, there's something not quite right. I don't know if I really want to deal with that today or not. I don't know. I suppose I can get some of that Lucas stuff and put it in the engine and see what happens. I don't know. That would just be a temporary fix, of course. So, I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. I think I'll pull this in. God, it's hot. Whew. Man. See how hot that says? That says 91. Feels hotter than that. So, gonna have to fix that tercel sometime. I think it requires a new engine, but what I could do in the meantime is just put in new bearings, rod bearings, rod or main bearings, but I don't know. That's just a temporary fix. So that's what I'm contemplating.